Blesibun ya piki parlok ki video satanar ban pe jagane ka video hakane ka channel. Bar hakane ka video ngan bataya pi ya ki kam laplan da ka office chongka district school education office West Kasihil district na banta ki post chongki assistant teacher. Te parlok sabhawan pe jagane ka video hado banda kot krang opinio ya ki jintip kum ki kerteng jong ki post ki nomba ki post ka tulok ka education qualification but ai pihak ban submit ya ki application form ka jong pi te worklet ban ai like ya kane ka video but kum juro ban subscribe ya kane ka channel ka district school education officer Nongstoin West Kasihil kalapla ya ka official job notification namun ki requirement jong ki assistant teacher ha ka Sipsing Memorial Government Higher Secondary School Nongstoin. But cluster ban submit ya ki application form go jong pi kadai hakan real truk Oktober arjar arpulai. But nabanta ki post jong ki assistant teacher ha kamat but ka science ki nombok ki post ki belat ka don tangkawe. But nabanta ki education qualification ki sim ya ki belapendep ya ka bachelor degree ha ki relevant subject leng baka BL. But nabanta ka post ka parpat kadai ha ki post jong ki assistant teacher ka badai ha ka art but ki nombok ki post ki belat ka don tangkawe. But habadi but ki karan pule part ki sim ya ki belapendep ya ka bachelor degree ha ki relevant subject leng baka BL. But karta ka pila ban apply kadai ha karta ka bakat fra dulai pasnem karta. But nabanta ka age election part kadai sansnem nabanta ki ST. But nabanta ka jingsu part kadai lai pawajar ha ka shibnai. But kini ki post ki belat ki ha ka contractual basis nabanta ka por jong ka san pukandai singi. But nabanta ki ki qualification recommend pidai bandon ya ka certificate diploma ha ka computer nane ka knowledge usage jong ka ICT ha ka teaching learning process active involved ha ki sport co-curricular activities art craft culture but kiwi de. But kumno pila aban submit ya ki application form jong pi namanta kini ki post jong ki assistant teacher te parlok lada dan kemuan barkan pule pila aban apply leng ba ka standard application form rengkat bat ki dokumen don kam but pihak ban submit ya ki application form go jong pi sha ka office jong ka deputy commissioner but chairman selection committee West Kasihil district Nongstoin haswa kan truk Oktober arjar arpulai te parlok ha kan ka video tangkini jiben tip bat ngine page bat ha ka weka video kublai shibun.